Are you looking for a real discount for VigRX Plus? Then stay with me, because besides explaining how to get it, we'll also see whether the supplement is truly worth it. And a heads up, it might not be for everyone. Before we go on, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here we talk about natural health, vital energy, and tools that can support you on your path with awareness. VigRX Plus is one of the most searched natural supplements for male sexual health. It's made with plants like red ginseng, epimedium, and Damiana. It's not a magic pill, but yes, it can serve as real support if you're going through stress, fatigue, or low sexual energy. From a conscious perspective, these supplements can work as additional support as long as they're part of a broader journey of self-care and vital energy. VigRX Plus is formulated with a combination of medicinal plants that have been used traditionally across different cultures to support male sexual energy and also overall vitality. We're not talking about chemicals or aggressive stimulants, but ingredients that work in harmony with your body. One of the main ones is Korean red ginseng, traditionally used to increase stamina, improve circulation, and revitalize qi or life energy, according to Eastern medicine. Then there's Epimedium, also known as horny goat weed. Beyond the funny name, it's an adaptogenic plant that may help balance sex hormones and support erectile function without straining the body. Another interesting component is Damiana, a plant native to the Americas that has been used as a natural aphrodisiac to increase sensitivity and desire. It also includes Muira puama, an Amazonian plant known for its tonic effect on the nervous system and for supporting sexual function holistically. It's not just about having a firmer erection. This formula's approach is more complete, improving circulation, sensitivity, desire, and hormonal balance, all from a natural angle. And most importantly, each ingredient has been dosed based on clinical studies, not just tradition. This doesn't guarantee miracles, but it does offer a solid foundation for those looking for support without severe side effects, and with results that build over time. Now that you know the ingredients, let's get into something important. Who is VigRX Plus really for? This supplement can be a strong ally for men who feel low on energy, stressed, or who have noticed a decrease in their sexual drive or performance, but who don't want to turn to synthetic drugs. It can also serve as support for those going through heavy workloads, emotional stress, or who simply want to reconnect with their vital strength. But let me be clear, it's not for you if you're looking for an instant effect like a magic pill. It's also not for you if you're not willing to take it consistently. This supplement requires time, patience, and commitment to your own process. I say this because sometimes the problem isn't in the body, but in our expectations. And here, we don't promote false promises. From a warrior's perspective, these types of supplements should not be seen as magic fixes, but as allies in a deeper process. Sometimes, when we feel a drop in sexual or vital energy, it's not just about the body. It's about how we live, how we breathe, how we think, and how we connect with our inner strength. That's why, if you decide to use a supplement like VigRX Plus, do it as part of a more holistic recovery journey. Combine it with good rest, good nutrition, and above all, with moments of silence, introspection, and honesty with yourself. This supplement can help, yes, but real change doesn't come from a capsule. It comes from how you choose to live each day. If you see it that way, then yes, VigRX Plus can be a valid tool on your path to a more free, balanced, and vital sexuality. If after everything we discussed you feel that VigRX Plus could be useful for you, I'm leaving a link to our page where I explain step by step how to get the official $10 discount. There will show you the code, along with a button to go to the official site and apply it correctly. It's the safest way to claim your discount and to support this channel. You'll find the link just below, in the description or in the first comment. Thanks for staying informed with awareness. If this content was useful to you, please give a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to keep exploring the power of your natural health together. See you in the next video. And remember, your energy is yours, and you can reclaim it. This content is for informational purposes and does not replace professional medical advice. The link we share is an affiliate link. If you choose to buy through it, we receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting this channel and walking with us toward more conscious health.